Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the sixth stage of the psychosocial developmental theory given by Erik Erikson. In the previous videos we saw that Erikson gave this theory in which he proposed that every one of us passes through various stages in life, and during this process we come across various conflicts, behavioral conflicts, and if we successfully complete those stages, we acquire some virtues, we acquire some characters in our personality. And if we do not acquire them, we sometimes people struggle in life due to whatever failures. So this stage is about intimacy, being able to be intimate with people versus being isolated in life. So he said that this happens usually from 19 years to 40 years of age. So this is a time when you get opportunities to form relationships, form lasting relationships with people. And the major question in this period that comes up is, the major conflict which comes up is that will I be loved or will I be alone? So we all know this is a very common age for getting into relationships, for forming bonds. So we all have thoughts about all these things in life, and the major question he proposed, he said that which is there is that will I be loved or will I be alone in life? And the major virtue that we acquire if we successfully pass this stage is the virtue of loving and being loved. So basically such relationships are usually romantic in nature, but it's not always necessary that we are talking about romantic relationships. It is also extended to our friends and other loved ones who we care about and can share this bond of closeness, of honesty and love. So basically this success at this stage, if a person fulfills this stage completely, he will form strong bonds. He'll form strong romantic bonds, especially also bonds with his friends and families. And the bond that he has will be quite meaningful. We can say that they can form meaningful relationships with people, not just superficial, very frivolous relationships. We can say the person can form meaningful relationships, and failure on the other hand can result in feeling that I'm lonely or there is no one for me. Or he might struggle in the romantic part, that is romantic relationships, there will be problems, or there will be no deep intimacy, in short. So they what happens is that they might not be able to share with their partners the completely, like themselves they cannot share completely with their partners, and they'll struggle to develop this special bond. Also, sometimes it gets difficult for them to see other friends, to see other people get married, get into relationships, carry on a very normal life, start families. So sometimes it is difficult for them to even see, and then they start even feeling more lonely and isolated. So important tasks in this stage is to be learning to be open and learning to share with others what is important for you and what is important for you as a person. So that results in a kind of an intimacy with people, and that is what is expected in this stage. It involves making commitments to others, it involves caring about people. Also in turn it involves getting loved from people. So basically if we think about this stage, it can only happen if you have a strong identity of yourself. That is the previous stage that we saw. It is about forming an identity or having confusion. So as Erikson says that moving from one stage to other requires the previous stage to be completely successful. You have to settle the whatever dilemmas you have in that stage, and when you complete that stage, then only your next stage will be open for completion. So caring for people and getting care from people will happen only if you are able to have a sense of self while in a relationship. So being a confident person or being a person who has his strong identity is important to form good relationships with others, because a good relationship with yourself will help you being in good relationship with others. So this is something important, and this is something Erikson has stated quite logically. I feel that unless you are sure about yourself, you cannot give yourself to others. So forming an identity, as we saw in the previous stage, is important, and after that you can complete this stage of getting intimate with others. So there is one more thing about a psychology thing that Freud said in life it is important to work and to love. So this stage is about loving people. So an important part of each and everyone's life, and it is one of the major transitions in life. It is one of the it is the time when major things, major changes, major decisions happen in your life. So overall we can say a very important stage in anyone's life, and it will always be good if people are able to complete it properly, if people are able to form relationships with others, if people are able to form their families, and they can have people to care about and in turn get cared about. So this was about the stage 6. People who are not able to complete this stage sometimes remain isolated, are not able to fulfill their commitments in their relationships, are sometimes not having the family around them, and they usually also have more tendency of suffering from mental problems like depression, loneliness, stress, and sometimes even severe ones like fear and suspicion. So these are points which family or loved ones are cushions, we can say. They protect us from being mentally isolated, they protect us from setbacks. Everyone should have this support, everyone should have people around them who care about them. So getting intimate with someone, being able to share your life with someone is something amazing that everyone should experience, and if they are having issues, they should get them sorted and move ahead in life. So this was about the stage 6, and I hope you liked the video. Thank you for listening. Thank you.